wa bona today re tlile mona re tlo shebela bolo ne
Yeah.
ha re fihla mo stadium ra shebela bolo bolo ya bantle haholo and wa etsala ntho e ne ntse re bua ore Chiefs vele ne sa deserve ho kena top 8 Kaizer Chiefs ya tswa hamnati ka first round remember I'm the defending champion. I give mind anyone can come wabo. So Kaizer Chiefs nere ibatla Pirates Pirates before idlala wabo, but unfortunately yajua before ikopana le Pirates. So today re shebile ntwe mara ntwe enkutlusang bohloko ba itse today ki sold out no stadium tickets out
tickets difedile tsene di rekiswa not stadium
but kitse ke reka ticket ba re ki sold out.
yes
Ke batla understand what is sold out.
they are sold out.
Okay.
Tickets are sold out.
Okay, that's fine. Continue.
Okay, I just want to understand what is sold out because I think Kaizer Chiefs want to match sold out their Pirates.
No.
Pirates make sold out their need. Pirates make a real sold out. Kaizer Chiefs is a sold out to ya di tickets tse kae.
Ereko kwa gabe o itse batla o tseba ke. Let me answer you.
Okay, answer me
in a very good way.
Answer
All
me
right.
in a good way.
How to sold out? Ho bolela hore
The ticket on offer.
I get it. They make over buy the ticket tse bokana. Let's say 40,000.
Okay.
40,000 tickets are gone.
Okay, so
Because they never thought to reach etla tlatsa stadium ka Pirates ke ticket tse kalo.
Okay,
O
so
latela hore di a tura. Ha o tshwane le Orlando ba hlotse o tlatsa Orlando. Ha bo sheba mo FNB Stadium. Half ya sona in a tletse. Half ya FNB e kholo feta full capacity. Yeah, Amstel.
no, mamela. Now my problem, they said it's sold out. Ne? We even go and bought more expensive tickets just to come and watch football. And then masi zama kuyongena. Masi tsina sizama ungena lapha. But wena bakania you can aslahlekanga but wena Zweli siyakwazi you cannot enter here. Ku VIP after they said it's sold out. Mangithi ngibheka grounding is not sold out. Bayenze ama ticket ay 40,000 just because bafuna ukucompete ne Pirates enze ama sold out amaningi last season. Come on makhosi, you can do better.